y'all, I'm going to show you one more thing today because I've had a lot of people on this blog ask me about a cheese ball. And we were at a holiday party over the holidays, and a dear friend of mine made this cheese ball, and Amy Harvell made it, and it was out of the world, in my opinion. Even Andy loved it, and he's not a big cheese ball person, so I got the recipe from her. She is a great cook, and this is how we're going to put this together. I have chopped my nuts coarsely and put them on a tray, and put cellophane down. I hope y'all can see that, and I'll try to kind of curve the thing. But I'm going to mix mine with my big beater, with my KitchenAid, because it makes such a mess to try to do it with hands. But here's the recipe. It's 2 8-ounce cream cheese softened to room temperature. And these have been sitting out, because if you've been tuning in, I had to go back to the grocery store because I ruined my first attempt at my red velvet cake. So the second red velvet cake just came out of the oven. It looks pretty good. So anyway, so we're going to put in 2 8-ounce cream cheeses at room temperature. I should have had these open. I apologize. But I bet there's lots of people that are in their kitchen doing just what I'm doing today with the holidays. The grocery store wasn't bad. I thought it would be really crazy, but it really wasn't. That food line at Stony Creek, it wasn't bad at all. So I'll post a picture of the recipe that she sent me. Let me rinse my hands off. Okay, so 2 of those. I'm going to put my seasonings in next. 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. And 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay, come on. Well, I usually can pop this right off. There we go. 1 teaspoon of paprika. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And I think Amy said she got this from her mother-in-law. I think. I can't remember. But anyway, she comes from a long line of great cooks. So 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. I'm a Duke's girl, but whatever mayonnaise you use, I'm sure it'll be fine. Okay, and then 12 ounces of sharp cheddar, grated, which I cheated and bought this instead of grating on. I'm gonna mix that up. My battery's running low. Sorry, guys. Maybe this will be quicker than I think. I'm gonna grab a spatula. Throw this stuff away. That looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna get this out with my spatula and best I can make a ball with my hands. I think I might spray my hands with a little bit of cooking spray and then roll it in these nuts. And then I'm gonna refrigerate it until tomorrow night for Christmas Eve. Because I'm pretty sure this is gonna stick to my hands. So I'm gonna roll it in these nuts. And I might better cut this segment off for now because I won't have a finger to do so once I get this in my hands. I'm going to roll it in the nuts. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like when we're done. And Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year. And Cooking, Cutting Up, Keeping It Real. Amy Harvell's cheese ball.